Good evening, people out there in YouTube world. I'm just coming to you. I'm back working on my bedroom. Had to put a stop to it for a little bit because some of the materials weren't coming in. But now I'm back at it again. I'm trying out these curtains, but I'm gonna take these down. I'm not using these curtains, and yeah, I gotta finish putting the boards around here, finish fixing that there. I'm gonna put the boards all around the room. It's gonna go all around here, the trimming heels, and yeah, so this is what the room is looking like now. And I did get a new bed, put it together. Me and my grandkids did. And the stuff that's on it, it just like this stuff. So and this shelf is gonna be moved out of here. And I'm waiting on my desk to come in so I can put my computer and stuff on. Yeah. And all this gonna be moved out. This is gonna be down. That leads into the closet, so that's gonna be down. This lid dresser, nightstand, this dresser here will be painted black. And I'm waiting on the gold handles like this to come in. So all that's gonna be did. And I'm waiting on my pictures that I ordered to go on the wall. Yes, I just wanted to come up with a quick update. And I'm taking these blinds down. They will be taken down. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but yes, this on the wall. This is some of the decorations that I put up there, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep them up there. And that mirror, I'm gonna have to clean it, and I'm probably change the color on it. Yeah, so I was just trying something out, putting these wall stickers up to see if this can look like that's what I want. But yeah, this stand gonna be gone, and it's gonna be my desk is coming. I'm still waiting on it to come in from Amazon. That's gonna be gone, and yeah, and this is what the some of the curtains, color of the curtains are. They're looking like that. Those are some of the curtains. But yeah, and this is my bed that I put together, and it's kind of hard, but I did it. And the floor, we are taking this stuff up. I ordered my curtains. I ordered my rug that I'm putting down. I'm going with a light gray, or maybe or dark gray. It's one of those colors. And yeah, that's what we putting on the floor. So stay tuned. This is the before picture. This is the before, how the room look. I haven't put up really too many pictures yet to know what exactly I'm gonna do tomorrow. And this is all right here. They working on it now, and it will be done. This is before. Here's the before picture. These dresses here will be painted black again, and with gold handles. And this nightstand here will be painted black too with gold handles. And don't pay attention to the chair because it's not gonna be in here. And this stuff over here is gonna be removed. But yeah, and the door, I ordered the door, so the door is coming into from Lowe's, and we're gonna put a new door up there. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. But stay tuned for the after shot of how it will look once we are through with putting everything together. And I hope y'all like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. And you will not regret what you will watch. How we change this whole house over to something nice and something that look livable in. Thank you, and have a nice day and a blessed day. So, see you on the next one. Bye.